Ducks are fascinating, versatile birds found across a wide range of environments, from tranquil ponds and lakes to bustling coastal estuaries, and even in urban areas. As waterfowl, they have adapted to thrive in both freshwater and saltwater ecosystems. The duck, with its distinct quack, unique waddling gait, and its colorful feathers, has captured the attention of humans for centuries, becoming a symbol of a variety of cultural meanings, from symbolism in folklore to their economic importance as livestock. Ducks are highly social birds, often seen in groups, and they have an intricate social structure, relying on the flock for survival, particularly during the migration season. Their adaptability and wide distribution have made them one of the most widely recognized and beloved bird species in the world. Ducks are part of the Anatidae family, which also includes swans and geese. This family is known for its remarkable diversity, with species that vary greatly in size, shape, color, and behavior. While many species of ducks are migratory, traveling thousands of miles each year between their breeding and wintering grounds, others are more sedentary and remain in the same general area year-round. Ducks are found on every continent except Antarctica, and they thrive in a variety of habitats, from rivers and marshes to urban parks and gardens. Their ability to adapt to both natural and human-made environments has contributed to their widespread success. The physical characteristics of ducks are varied and serve a functional purpose in their survival. Ducks typically have webbed feet, which make them excellent swimmers, allowing them to glide effortlessly across water. The webbing between their toes acts like a paddle, propelling them forward when they swim. Ducks also have waterproof feathers, which help them stay dry and warm while swimming or wading in the water. Their bills are often broad and flat, specially adapted for filtering food from the water. Ducks feed on a wide variety of foods, including aquatic plants, insects, small fish, and even algae. Their diet is highly varied, and they are known to forage both on land and in water, making them opportunistic feeders. In addition to being omnivores, some species of ducks are known to dive deep underwater in search of food, using their specialized bills to catch small aquatic animals. The reproductive behavior of ducks is equally fascinating. Most species of ducks form monogamous pairs during the breeding season, although the strength of these pair bonds can vary depending on the species. Some species of ducks mate for life, while others may only pair up for a single breeding season. The courtship displays of ducks are elaborate and can include head bobbing, synchronized swimming, and offering food to the female. These behaviors are part of the male's effort to attract a mate, demonstrating his fitness and ability to provide for her and their future offspring. Once a pair has formed, the female typically lays a clutch of eggs in a concealed nest made from grasses, reeds, and down feathers. The female incubates the eggs, keeping them warm for a period of around 28 days, depending on the species. Once the ducklings hatch, they are precocial, meaning they are born with their eyes open, covered in soft down feathers, and capable of swimming and foraging for food. However, they still rely heavily on their mother for protection and guidance during the early stages of their life. Ducklings grow quickly, and within a few weeks, they are able to fly, though they will stay with their mother for a period of time before venturing off on their own. The bond between mother and ducklings is strong, and the female leads her young to water, where they learn to swim and forage for food. Throughout the early stages of their life, ducklings are highly vulnerable to predators, and the mother will often stay vigilant, calling out alarm signals to warn her brood of approaching danger. In addition to their role in the natural world, ducks have a long history of association with humans, dating back thousands of years. They have been domesticated for various purposes, including as a source of meat, eggs, and feathers. The domestication of ducks is believed to have begun in ancient Mesopotamia, where wild ducks were captured and raised in captivity. Over time, humans selectively bred ducks for specific traits, such as larger body size, more prolific egg-laying, and docility, leading to the development of numerous breeds of domestic ducks. These domesticated ducks, while still closely related to their wild counterparts, have evolved into different forms that are better suited to human needs. The domesticated duck is raised for both its eggs and its meat, and it is a key source of protein in many cultures around the world. Duck eggs are larger and richer than chicken eggs, with a thicker shell and a distinct flavor. In some parts of the world, duck eggs are considered a delicacy, often used in cooking dishes that require a richer flavor or texture. Duck meat is also highly prized, especially in dishes like Peking duck, a popular dish in Chinese cuisine, or duck confit, a traditional French dish. Ducks are often raised in free-range environments, where they are allowed to roam freely and forage for food, though they can also be kept in more controlled settings, such as commercial farms. In addition to their role as livestock, ducks also have cultural significance in many societies. In various parts of the world, ducks appear in folklore, art, and symbolism, often representing various human qualities such as adaptability, resourcefulness, and cooperation. In some cultures, ducks are seen as symbols of loyalty and fidelity due to their monogamous nature and their devotion to their mates. In Chinese culture, for example, ducks are associated with love and happiness, and they are often depicted in traditional art as a pair of ducks swimming together. Ducks also appear in literature and stories, often portrayed as clever or comical characters. The famous children's story, The Ugly Duckling, by Hans Christian Andersen is a classic example of how ducks are used in literature to convey moral lessons about self-acceptance and transformation. Ducks are also popular in the world of recreational hunting. In many parts of the world, duck hunting is a time-honored tradition that has been practiced for centuries. Hunters use various methods to attract ducks, including calling, decoys, and camouflage, and hunting is regulated to ensure sustainable populations of ducks. In some areas, hunting seasons are established to prevent overhunting and to protect ducks during their breeding seasons. The thrill of the hunt, along with the challenge of working with trained hunting dogs to retrieve the ducks, makes duck hunting a popular activity for many outdoor enthusiasts. Despite their adaptability and wide distribution, ducks face a number of threats in the modern world. Habitat destruction, pollution, and climate change have all taken a toll on duck populations, particularly those species that rely on wetland habitats. Wetlands are crucial for ducks, as they provide food, shelter, and nesting sites. The draining of wetlands for agricultural or industrial purposes has led to the loss of important habitats for many species of ducks. Pollution, particularly the contamination of water bodies with chemicals, pesticides, and plastic waste, has also had a negative impact on duck populations, affecting their health and food sources. Climate change is another threat to ducks, as rising temperatures and changing rainfall patterns can alter the availability of suitable habitats and food sources. Conservation efforts aimed at protecting ducks and their habitats are crucial for ensuring the survival of these remarkable birds. Organizations and governments around the world are working to protect wetlands and restore damaged habitats, as well as to regulate hunting and prevent illegal trade in duck species. In some cases, captive breeding programs have been established to help increase the populations of endangered duck species. These programs are important for maintaining genetic diversity and ensuring that rare and threatened species of ducks are not lost to extinction. Education and public awareness campaigns also play a key role in promoting the conservation of ducks and other waterfowl, encouraging people to take action to protect these birds and their habitats. Ducks continue to be a source of fascination and enjoyment for people all over the world. Whether they are admired for their beauty, enjoyed as pets, or valued as a food source, ducks are an integral part of the natural world and human culture. Their adaptability, social nature, and role in various ecosystems make them a key species in the avian world. As we continue to learn more about ducks and their behavior, we deepen our understanding of the complexities of the natural world and the importance of protecting it for future generations. These birds and their habitats. Ducks continue to be a source of fascination and enjoyment for people all over the world. Whether they are admired for their beauty, enjoyed as pets, or valued as a food source, ducks are an integral part of the natural world and human culture. Their adaptability, social nature, and role in various ecosystems make them a key species in the avian world. As we continue to learn more about ducks and their behavior, we deepen our understanding of the complexities of the natural world and the importance of protecting it for future generations.